Is studying film in college worth it? That's today's question. It comes to us from Audrey Ember, a new and upcoming YouTuber, filmmaker type person. The short answer is no. I don't think that is the best thing for you to study. It is definitely good to understand theory and to study something in college, but it doesn't mean that that's the best thing for you to spend your brain power and your university time on. If you want to become a YouTuber, a multimedia person, production company, you're basically talking about running a business. And I would highly recommend studying business in university and then maybe taking a few classes that might really help you out, like a few classes in design, because a lot of people don't really understand design very well, and that is a huge part of being a content creator. If you don't know how to make thumbnails and little things that get yourself noticed, then nobody's ever going to see them in the first place. So having just like a basic knowledge of design, I think is very helpful also. So business, take a couple of classes in design, and then keep creating. Just keep working on what you're working on. Keep pushing yourself to learn new techniques and learn to use new tools, and learn from the people around you, do collabs. Just do the work and you will get better. You'll get much better than just learning a bunch of theory. Now, I will say that doesn't mean you shouldn't study anything. You should definitely kind of create your own curriculum. And by that, I mean, like, figure out the things that you want to learn about and set a schedule for yourself. That way, you're not just kind of like, oh, I'm going to try this today. You have a little bit more of a long-term goal laid out before you, and you will progress a lot faster if you have a more specific thing that you want to learn. Like, this month I want to learn about, X, Y, or Z. And then maybe take some web courses, maybe join one of the subscription things online where you can see a bunch of web courses. Maybe check out mastermind videos. There's just so much content out there that can help us as content creators and filmmakers to learn the craft part of it. And I don't think getting into a huge debt learning the craft and a bunch of theory is really going to be the thing that's going to benefit you at this stage in your education. Definitely business will do a much more for you in the long run than learning the craft in school, because the craft really comes down to grabbing the camera, shooting things, figuring out what works, editing, learning how to color grade. All that stuff is going to be you just doing the work and learning the craft. That's all I have today. Love y'all. I will see you in the comments.